Hello, meet Pomodozer Lite, version 1.2, a free and user-friendly Pomodoro timer designed for anyone who wants to stay focused and productive without distractions. It's available now for Windows, with Linux and macOS versions coming soon. When you open the app, you'll see the Param section on the left and the Settings section on the right. In the Settings section, you'll find several helpful options. Use last location. When enabled, the app remembers its previous position on your screen and restores it on the next launch, even if you're using multiple monitors. Always on top keeps the app visible above all other windows. Use Sound enables sound notifications during your work session. Dark or light theme. Currently, only the light theme is available, but dark mode is planned for a future update. By default, Pomodozer Lite uses the classic Pomodoro routine. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break, and this cycle repeats 4 times. After that, you get another 25-minute work period, followed by a longer 20-minute break. This default scheme loads automatically every time you start the app. But you can easily adjust this classic setup to better match your personal workflow and energy level. Just change the parts you need, such as the length of each work period, the duration of short breaks, the duration of long breaks, and the number of cycles in a sequence. Important: changes to the default scheme are not saved after closing the app. If you want the ability to save up to 3 custom Pomodoro schemes, consider upgrading to Pomodozer Plus, a one-time purchase of just $5. The parameters section also shows 2 helpful values. 1 flow work hours, the total focused work time for a full sequence, not counting breaks. Session work hours, the total amount of focused work you plan for the entire session. Leave this field empty to run the timer indefinitely for up to 24 hours. Or enter a specific number of work hours, and the session will end automatically once the target is reached, or when you decide to stop it manually. Once you've selected the classic scheme or adjusted it to match your current energy level and set your target work hours, simply press the Start Session button to begin. After you press the Start Session button, the Summary section on the right becomes active. Here, you'll see real-time statistics for your current session, including total cycles, how many work cycles you've completed, total hours, the total time spent, including both work and breaks, work hours, your focused work time, break hours, the time you've spent resting. These statistics reset automatically each time you restart the application. And if you want to clear them manually at any moment, just press the Clear Summary button in the Timer section on the left. In the Timer section, press Start Session button to begin. Once the timer starts, the countdown begins right away. You can pause the timer at any moment or stop the entire session if you need to. When a work period ends, the app will gently prompt you to take a break. If you accept, the break timer begins. If you'd rather keep working, simply press Skip button to move straight to the next work period. When a break ends, another alert will remind you to get back to your focus time. This cycle continues until you stop the session manually or until you reach the session work hours target you set earlier. At the top of the Timer section, you'll see 2 helpful indicators: worked focus hours and planned focus hours. After you complete your first work period, the Clear Summary button becomes available, allowing you to reset your statistics whenever you like. Once the session ends, press Back button to return to the Scheme section. Here, you can reuse or adjust your current scheme and start new Pomodoro session. Each new session adds its results to the totals shown in Summary section, but you can reset those totals at any time using the Clear Summary button. If you have any questions, feel free to visit the help section on our website at rembase.org or reach out to us through the support form. Pomodozer Lite is completely free and can be downloaded from our website after a quick registration. There are no subscriptions and no hidden fees ever. You can also download Pomodozer Lite directly from the Microsoft Store. Stay focused, work smarter, achieve more.